Same table, two count expressions, two different answers. This is one of the easiest null traps to miss in SQL reporting. Count star counts rows, but count of column counts only non-null values in that column. Let's do it quickly in SSMS. Same table, two counts, two different answers. This is one of the easiest null traps to miss in SQL reporting. Here, we have 5 claim rows, but notice paid amount is missing on 2 of them. Count star counts rows. It does not care whether a specific column is null. Count of column counts only non-null values of that column. That's why paid amount gives us 3 instead of 5. If your business question is how many rows, use count star. Use count column only when you intentionally want the number of populated values. The takeaway is simple. Count star counts rows. Count of column counts only the non-null values in that column. Neither expression is wrong, but they answer different questions. If the business question is total rows, use count star. Use count column only when you intentionally want populated values.